Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
It was a stormy and rainy winter in Porto Santo. We did some maintenance and see more people leaving, but also some boats coming back to this paradise. In the Marina de Porto Santo, we have our resident mascot. It is an octopus we call Okky. He lives in the rocks at the beginning of the pontoons. He is quite shy and extremely intelligent. He is able to very quickly change his color to that of the surrounding area, making him extremely difficult to see. Luckily, one day Claudia from the Sabir spotted Okky and filmed him. So here he is in all his glory.
Stormy weather. Michael busy with the neighbor. He's not there.
We had a winter with many storms and quite a bit of rain by Porto Santo standards. Most of the time it was okay, but when the wind comes from the southwest, the waves can smash against the harbor wall, making everything rusty and salty.
Some new fender covers. See if they hold it.
And here we have the 1979 Lumar 48 hot sticker Newmont. I'm going to do a service on this winch here. This is one of our Genoa winches. It's a Lumar 48. It's an older winch, but what I'll do is I will take it apart, clean it up, inspect it, re-grease it, put it back together. And then I can take the whole drum off. Got to be careful because we've also got bearings in there we don't want to lose.
We did regular maintenance on all the winches on board Make My Day. We have 11 winches, so it took the better part of a week to get this completed. There we go. Yeah, now everything's out.
So I'm putting this gear back on, greasing it up, putting this gear back on, fill the grease in between the teeth, but no need to put too much because it just squirts out and then it attracts dirt.
So you've got parts with oil and parts with grease.
Yeah, the pawls and the springs, they use oil. They're the ones that make for the ratcheting motion, and everything else gets grease. I need to be careful not to lose the springs when I'm doing this. There was a spring. I didn't see him fly. I didn't hear. There he is. Okay. Trying to get the old grease out of the bearings now. So between a combination of brake cleaner and a toothbrush, electric toothbrush. You want to get all the old grease out before you put new grease in.
Getting stuff back together.
Trying. Checking on the gears that everything moves the way it's supposed to. Cleaning the teeth of the drum. So now I'll put the drum on. I just greased it all up. Put this piece in here. And then the guide. And then this. Ta-da!
I think you enjoy more filming my fuck-ups than my successes.
What did you do?
Broke a piece. A really difficult piece because they don't make parts for this anymore.
It's normally when you've got a boat shop, you will have 6 jobs in the end. So glue it together.
If I can get the glue out of this thing.
Second glue and duct tape. So this is how it looks when you do some cleaning. So we've got the back empty. Michael is busy with an inventory.
Kind of write it down and put it in a spreadsheet so we just kind of know where stuff is.
Cleaning water tank time.
Yeah.
Going for a few days to Madeira.
Yeah, so we can let it soak in some stuff. The whole water system. First clean off the outside so when we open the tank we don't add more shit to the system. Oh! Yeah, there's a bunch of dirt and stuff in there.
Stuff floating in there.
Yeah.
So get it clean. Keep flushing and keep flushing.
We cleaned and flushed the water tank, replacing the internal filters as well.
But it's getting there. What are you doing?
Drilling holes. Our battery installation is quite compact, with a rather restricted airflow. When charging the batteries from the shore power, they can become rather warm. So we installed a new ventilator to increase the airflow. This should hopefully keep the battery installation at a good temperature. Sin.
Sin? Well, we made a spot for the solar panels, hanging it on the ceiling.
A solar panel hammock. Take one.
Take one. Test one.
Test one.
Ceiling is still in with 6 solar panels. And normally we've got 3 in there.
What you doing? I'm setting the boat on fire.
Don't do that.
I'm bored. I'm gonna set the fucking boat on fire. Now I'm adding some DC power and I decided to make a little remote location. So I don't always have to go back into there. So I'm making this block. I'd like to do it with a better block, but that's all I got for right now. So when I want to test the SSB, I can connect it in here to put the fan that I added for this connected into there.
And now he's making the DC in there.
I don't have much
So now
room.
it's a AC/DC.
Yeah. I don't have much more room. Thunder.
Doing AC and DC separate again. The SSB advisor.
For all your SSB advice needs.
Oh, it's just a big mess everywhere.
Eric from Gaber helped us to test our SSB radio. We've had it on board since Amsterdam, but never installed it.
1 hour later.
We weren't pleased with the performance on our setup and the extra work necessary to install it permanently. So if someone needs an SSB, let us know in the comments. Now, Boss from the Polster, he's re-varnishing our steering wheel. And I don't think it's been done in a long time because I've never done it. So he took it all the way down to the wood. And now he's putting a stain on it. And then he'll varnish it. Thanks, boss.
Look, our wheel. Bas is making it a beauty again.
Er is aardig wat lak ingevloeid.
Okay.
Dus dan ga ik morgen met een schuurpapiertje en dan krijg ik het er waarschijnlijk wel glad. Maar voor de rest ziet hij er redelijk uit, ja.
Je ziet er mooi uit, man.
Ja.
Ik ben het licht.
Je bent het licht. Look at this. Bas and Mariana varnishing our steering wheel. Those pole steadages. The master. One day, Boss from Polestar was on board Make My Day and commented that he didn't like how our steering wheel was looking. So he volunteered to refinish it. It was a long and tedious project that had him put 11 coats of varnish on it.
The Rembrandt. Salvador Dali of varnish.
Ja.
Wat een scherpe oog. Chef en mevrouw, super werk hè?
Wow, did it come out beautiful.
Kijk eens aan, jongen, hij is voor jou.
Filmen?
Alsjeblieft.
Oh.
Niet te filmen, man. Nou, kom aan boord.
Kom maar. We moeten hem zien. Wauw.
Je moet hem zien als hij er aan is.
Wat mooi.
Mooi.
Prachtig.
Nou, wanneer doe je de rest, Bas?
Ja. Ik heb hem even laten zien hoe het moet. Dus,
Je kunt het zelf doen.
Kan hij zelf ook wel doen, ja. Het is makkelijk, hè? Je draait een schroef op en dan zit.
Je moet hem even sleutelen anders, hij zit vast.
Shiny, shiny.
Wauw, Jezus.
Ja, zo, ja. Ja. Je mag hem hier ook vasthouden.
Durf ik niet.
Mag goed.
Ja, mag wel.
Ja, hij moet nog, denk ik, nog een weekje uithouden. Hij is nou al een week uitgehard. Nee, je kan hem wel beetpakken. Nee, dat is geen enkel probleem. Een weekje.
Wild sinds ik heb de wiel gedraaid.
Ja.
Ik voel het wel.
Ja.
Mooi, Bassie.
Mooi Basie, dankjewel hè.
Graag gedaan, jongen. Graag gedaan.
Biertjes. Happy International Women's Day. Yay. Yummy.
And stay out this time. Bon voyage. Bring you back a canary. Don't come back. It was a very something
There it goes. Miguel is leaving us.
Vai agora, eu dois, três. Só mais um bocadinho, só falta mais um bocado. Mais. Mais. Mais um bocadinho. Mais um bocadinho. Não, ele está mínimo. Olha, eu tenho que torcer isso.
I just missed it. Do it again, I missed it.
Ok, pessoal de Porto Santo, vocês são os maiores. Thank you very much. Anytime.
Bon voyage.
Take care. Take care. Be well.
Thank you very much. Bon voyage. Thank you.
Safe trip. Toot toot.
Alla proxima. Hasta la próxima. Hasta la vista, baby. All right, well.
Black.
Lots of crabbies.
Right the crabbies.
Bye-bye. Safe trip.
There are still some people leaving to the Canaries or back to mainland Portugal. And some people we met last summer are coming back to Porto Santo for a visit before heading to the Mediterranean.
Normally we are filming people who are leaving. Sometimes people coming back, so we will say hi when they're coming back. This is Dao, Swedish, our guitar player, and the dancing queen Bitta. Welcome back! Swedish meatballs.
It's vad heter knoppfler.
Here we go. I got my dancing season going. Starting up, going slow. We're gonna go.
I said yes. I know. Look like us away. I said yes. Oh, sorry.
Come on, the dancing machine. She's
She's getting there. She's warming up. The dancing queen.
I thought you were a drummer.
Hejsan morsan, hejsan stabben, här är vi ifrån, älsklingsgrabben. Vi har kul på kolonien, vi var 28 grabbar igen.
Med sugar.
Well, I can't. If I had done this, then I must have been really drunk or really on drugs.
First day of spring, 21 March.
What are you gonna do?
It's time to get rid of it. See you soon.
And he's back.
First day of spring.
Bull.
Yeah.
Give me the beat, boy, to